Hi, this is Jennifer Goddard. Welcome to the 9th Insight into National Memory Championships. This segment is on the last of the 4 number events, spoken numbers. Make sure you download the latest rules and guidelines from the worldmemorychampionships.com website or the website of your local National Memory Championships. The aim of this event is to commit to memory as many spoken numbers as possible. There will be 2 attempts. First attempt will be 100 numbers or 100 seconds. The second attempt will be for 200 numbers. How does this work? A recording is played that has a clear voice reading out decimal digits. Generally, it's in English or in the official language of the competition. The digits are spoken at 1-second intervals. 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, and so on. In the first attempt, 100 digits are spoken at a rate of 1 second per digit. No writing is allowed during the playing of the recording. When a contestant has reached their limit that they can memorize, they must stay in their seats, be quiet, and sit still for the remainder of the time. The memorization time is 100 seconds. Competitors are then given a recall paper and they must write their recalled numbers in consecutive order from the start of the spoken sequence. They have up to 5 minutes for recall. Then we go straight into the second attempt, where 200 digits are spoken at the rate of 1 second per digit. 1, 6, 4, 9, 7, 3, and so on. There are 200 seconds for memorization, and then another recall paper is provided. If for some reason the attempt has to be paused, some sort of distraction, the attempt will be continued from 5 numbers before that interruption. So we will go back and replay that sequence from 5 numbers beforehand. In the 200-second event, competitors have 10 minutes for recall. Here's an example of a completed recall paper, which will make it fairly clear. A point is awarded for every consecutive number recalled. So in this instance, you ignore the rows. As soon as a contestant makes their first mistake, this is where marking stops. If this was an incorrect number, then marking will stop and that person is only awarded 3 points. As you can see here, this competitor correctly recalled 72 numbers spoken out loud. Well done. The winner of the event is the contestant with the highest score. Now, in the event of 2 competitors scoring identically 200 number category, the winner will be determined by the competitor with the highest score in the first competition. If that's equal, then the result will be a joint first place. Each recall paper is marked by an adjudicator and then checked by a second adjudicator. The raw scores for both attempts are entered into the scoring sheet, where competition points are calculated and added to the total. If you have any questions, please make sure you contact the organisers prior to the event. I hope you've enjoyed this quick insight into the National Memory Championships on how the spoken number events work. For information and training on how to improve your memory, contact your local Busan Centre. I'm Jennifer Goddard, and please join me for the last event, which is speed cards. I look forward to talking to you soon.